Hi guys, this is the tutorial video for putting together this kit of 3 waterfall cards for Halloween. They come with a backing sheet here. You don't have to use that. This is great for matting onto the front of a greetings card or sticking down in your journal or folio or whatever. And we have got, this one here says, now is the time, this is the hour, ours is the magic, ours is the power, and you reveal this lovely pentagram design here. So that's that one. Then we have I like this one, sticky fingers, tired feet, one last house, trick or treat, and we pull to reveal these trick or treaters at the end here. Really cute. And this one, when witches go riding and black cats are seen, the moon laughs and whispers, 'tis near Halloween, and we pull to reveal this spooky graveyard scene with ghosts and pumpkins and whatnot. So there we are. Carry on watching to find out how I put these lovely things together. So I've cut out my bits and bobs and I've made one up and it looks like this. Aren't they so cool? I love waterfall cards. Right, for each waterfall card you make, this is optional, this backing sheet, you don't have to use this if you don't want to, but for each one that you want to make, and there are 3 kits in this pack, you need 4 panels. You need this little strip here, and you also need this long strip that's got something on the back. Let's make this one up, shall we? So I'm going to start off by scoring these lines here, and there are 4 of those, and then I'm going to fold, and I'm going to fold and fold, making sure I'm lined up nicely. One of my scores is off there. And fold, and then I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to fold it the other way, because what I want when I'm done folding is a nice flexible hinge type of thing there. Okay, so when I've got that, I can pop it down on my surface. I can take this piece here and I'm going to glue this on so that the top edge is about at the halfway point, and so that it's in the middle. It's not crucial. About is good enough. So I'll pop that on there. Let's get this back piece out of the way. Oh, and I'm doing it on the reverse, sticking that on the reverse of that piece that's got the image on it. And then I'm going to get my pieces. Now these have got a little poem on them, all these 3 in this kit, so it's important to get them in the right order, and I'm going to work in reverse order. So ours is the power. Now is the time, this is the hour, ours is the magic, ours is the power. So I'm going to stick on my last one first, and I'm going to glue all over the back of this one. Thus, and I'm going to pop it down on top here and line it up with my back. And once I've got that on there like that, I can put glue onto all of these panels, just in the middles, avoiding the creases. And working in reverse order, I'm going to pop my next one on, again avoiding that crease, just shy of the crease. And the next one, I've forgotten to ink these guys, I'll ink them afterwards. And the last one, there like that. I'm going to fold this piece around, turn it over, make sure everything's all lined up nicely. Slightly alter my crease if I need to. You've got not straight, you've slipped, haven't you? There we go. Turn that over, and then I'm going to fold this piece around. I'm not going to do it too tight because things need to be able to slide inside it, and I can test that now even though my glue's still wet. There we go, that's working. These bits are glued together in a way that they shouldn't be. There we go. And then I'm going to put glue on this little flap here, making sure I don't get it onto the main body. Oops, she says getting it onto the main body. And then glue that piece down. Now I'm going to go back in here and I'm just going to check that nothing's sticking where it shouldn't be sticking. I've got no glue in there, just by lifting those up a little bit and giving them a bit of a test. That's great, they work fine. And now if you want to use this backing panel here, which you can then glue straight down into your journal or onto a piece of card for matting, a greetings card, you just need to glue this section here. Don't put glue, again, do not put glue on the back on the large panel because it won't be able to slide. And turn that little guy over, pop him centrally on here. Obviously I haven't inked this one, which was a bit of an oversight. But there we have it. My glue isn't completely dry, but it's dry enough. I've added a little bit of ink. Afterwards, it's easier to do it before you start putting the thing together. And then we can just pull this bottom piece. And there we have it, our waterfall card. And this one has got lots of writing space. So if you want to make this into a greetings card, it'll work very, very well. And similarly wise, if you want to add it to your journal, you could glue that whole thing in. You could glue 3 sides in and you've got a nice pocket there for something else. Right, there's 2, 1 more to make. And because this is going to be a short video tutorial, because they're so straightforward once you've got your bits and bobs cut out, I'm going to do it again on camera so you can see. So folding all of those, folding them the other way. And when we're finished, this piece is going to come down over the top here. So we can get our glue. Glue this section here. Place it so that the top of it is about halfway down the page, like this. And whilst that's drying, let's add some ink, shall we? Pop on my glue, pop on my first panel, and then working in reverse order, pop on the other panels. I can glue all of these at once, being mindful to avoid the folds on our hinge. The third one goes there, the second one goes here, and the first one goes here. There we are. And now I can flip that back together, turn it over, check everything's lined up nicely, fold my piece of card around, allowing it just a little bit of wiggle room, not taking that too tight. Pop on my glue, close my little flap, and there it is. That is the waterfall card. And if you want to leave them like this, they're very, very nice. Just in a journal like that's lovely. But I've got this backing panel. I've got 3 of these backing panels with the kit, and I'm going to use them. So glue onto the strip of paper, the strip of card, and then position that where you want it. And stick that down and let that dry. And there they are. I don't know who you are, but I do know who you are, but you don't belong here, little fella. So here they are. They're all done. Let's have a look at each of them in turn. Now is the time. Now is the hour. Ours is the magic. Ours is the power. And you pull to reveal this pentagram with this lovely kind of design of the fall and the pumpkin. This one was our second one. When witches go riding and black cats are seen, the moon laughs and whispers, 'tis near Halloween. And you're revealing this graveyard scene here with the ghosts and the pumpkins. And this last one, I hope the glue is dry enough now. Sticky fingers, tired feet, one last house, trick or treat. And then you reveal these trick or treaters at the end. I think they're great. There we go. That's a kit of 3 lovely waterfall cards for your journaling or card giving. Have loads and loads of fun. I will see you soon.